Hi guys, welcome back. This is a dance called Big Boom. This is going to be a quick walkthrough. It is A, B, and the floor splits if you watch the demo. So here we go, leading with the right foot. I'm going to do the first few counts. You're going to kick your right foot out, 1, hitch that right knee, kick the right foot forward, that's 1 and 2. Ball step and 3, and pivot a half turn to the right on count 4. Let's try it from the beginning, but facing the back because the rest of the dance happens facing this way. Kick, hitch, kick. The count is 1 and 2 and 3, pivot 4. From here, I'm stepping forward on that left foot, no weight, slide it back, pop the knee, 6, right foot forward, 7, no weight, slide it back, pop the left knee, 8. Left foot steps forward, kick it old school, 1, Michael Jackson, and 2. Right foot steps next to left, and rock the left foot to the left side, 3 with a hip sway, 4. Ball step, left, right, and 5 to the diagonal. Right heel goes out, right toe goes out, both knees pop. Put them back down, right toe comes in, left toe goes out, making a quarter turn. The count for that was Michael Jackson, 1 and 2, and rock 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. From here you have your diamond, cross side back, 1 and 2, back together, and 3, 8, the return stepping forward, 4, kick back, back, for 5 and 6, body roll back, 7, back right, left, and 8. From here, I call this the Zumba push, pushing forward on the right foot, 1, bring it back, 2, now the left foot, 3, with a chord 8, the return, 4, left coaster step, 5 and 6, 2 walks forward, 7, 8. Those last section is 1, 2, left, 3, left, 4, coaster 5 and 6, walk 7, 8. And that's the end of part A. You always do part A twice. Let's try it facing the back. Kick, hitch, kick. Ready? 6, 7, 8. The counts 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Left foot 5, pop 6, 7. Michael Jackson, 1, he, and 3, 4 and 5. Heel 6 and 7 and diamond. 1 and 2 and 3. Kick it. 5 and 6. Body 7. Zumba push. 1, 2, 3, 4, coaster 5 and 6, walk 7, 8. Let's do part A again. 6, 7, and kick 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Left foot 5, pop 6, 7, pop 8. Michael 1, he, and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and diamond. 1 and 2 and 3. Kick it. 5 and 6, 7. Zumba push. 1, 2, 3. Left coaster. 5 and 6. Walk 7, 8. And then you would do part B. However, we started facing the back, so pretend you started facing the front. So the end of, oh, I forgot to add the arms, right hand, left hand. That's as you do the 2 walks forward. Here's part B. I'm gonna rock forward on the right foot. Arms are gonna make a windmill. 1, 2, 3, step back on that right foot. 4, back rock 5 and 6, 5 and step forward. 6, out, out, right, left, and 7. And then this is going to change depending on where you are. Let me try that facing this way. This was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. If you're on the right side of the room, you look to the right and then you look to the left. Hold your microphone. You're going to go first, 1 and 2. Shuffle forward on that right foot, very slight diagonal. 1 and 2 and 3, quarter turn left, 4. Hold 5, 6, 7, arms up on 8 for the word everybody. Volta turn to the right, 1 and 2 and 3. Point the left toe, 4, left jazz box, 5, 6 with a quarter turn, 7. Close your feet on 8. Same thing, but you go with the left foot this time, going forward, very slight diagonal, left foot, extended shuffle, 1 and 2 and 3, quarter turn, 4. Now the lefties would go with the right foot, 5, 6, 7, 8, volta turn to the left this time, 1 and 2 and 3, point 4, jazz box with a quarter turn right, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you're on the left side of the room, you did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. You look left first and then you look right holding your microphone, 8, slight bend of that knee. You're gonna hold 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle to the left with the left foot first, extended shuffle, 5 and 6 and 7, quarter turn right, 8, volta turn to the left, 1 and 2 and 3, point 4, jazz box, quarter, 6, 7, 8. You hold 1, 2, 3. Now the right foot shuffles, 5 and 6 and 7, quarter left, 8, volta turn right, 1 and 2 and 3, point 4, jazz box, 5, 6, 7, touch on 8. Yours is slightly different. Then everybody, to finish part B, is going to rock forward on the right foot, just like the first 8 counts of B. 1, 2, 3, 4. The only difference here is you're going to collect your feet at the end. You're going to go 5 and 6, out, out, in. Start the dance again. That was part B. I hope that makes sense. I hope that's enough. If you need the full teach, go ahead and find that. It is on my channel. Let's try it with some music, and I look forward to seeing you on the dance floor very soon.